Okay, so I'm just going to go over real quick on how to de-pin an NSV light bar wiring harness, specifically the 12-pin connector. Now this is just in case you accidentally put a pin in the wrong location. Extremely easy fix. The two tools that you'll need are a pair of pliers and a pick. You really need a pick. A screwdriver won't really work. You can pick that up at a hardware store, part store, whatever. Super cheap. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this pin and just put it somewhere. Clicked into place. Okay. So first step is take the pliers, pull on one side of the orange part, pull on the other, it'll come right out. Now if you look, there are some tabs pretty much in between each connector there. This will be really hard to pick up, but they're movable. And on this one in particular, it's right here. Let's see if we can pick that up. It's right there. So what you do is essentially you have to pry underneath it. This may take a little bit of trial and error and some fighting it. But what you have to do is you have to try and pull that back and then pull the wire out at the same time. Sometimes it goes really smoothly, sometimes it takes some work. Okay, so boom, just like that. So what you do to kind of make it a little bit easier is right here. Essentially what you're doing is moving that back. Just like that. So really hard to see, but hopefully this helps. And then essentially all you do is whenever you put this back on, this will only go on one way. Just put it on, boom, and it works. If you put it on the wrong way, for instance, it won't go on, it will go crooked and won't go fully down. So what it needs to look like is like that. Perfect, there you go.